30 Indian women who were formerly sanitation workers are off to New York now, vocationally trained by Sulabh International. These women have been invited by the United Nations to share their life-changing experiences.
United Nations Amir Abdullah caught up with these women here in Delhi as they wrapped up their visa applications to go for a pre-flight shopping spree.
Usha is shopping for a handbag at the Sarojini Nagar market in Delhi. Her appearance doesn't betray the fact that next month she will catwalk down the New York ramp with top Indian models. What it also doesn't betray is the fact that Usha spent 15 years of her life cleaning outdoor toilets at a village in Alwar, Rajasthan. Her life changed when she was adopted by Sulabh International, an NGO that runs modern public toilets across India. 7 years on, she earns a living by working on embroidery and making pickles and papad at home.
हम जाते थे सुबह मेला ढोने के लिए, सर पे परात रहती थी हमारे, लोहे की परात होती सर एक, उसको जाते थे लेकर सर पे, मेला उसमें होता था और सर बारिश आती थी तो ऊपर से पानी डलता था तो हमारे ऊपर ही आते थे मेला.
And because of the profession, people never wanted to talk to them. They were literally boycotted from the society.
Usha and 29 other former sanitation workers like her are set to participate in a series of events by the United Nations to mark the International Year of Sanitation. During their stay in New York, the 30 women will present a short film on their lives as well as take part in a fashion show.
Gearing up for a series of events organized by the UN, including a fashion show in New York, is as exciting for these women as it is unbelievable. After completing the visa formalities, it's shopping time.
जैसे चलना, कैसे चलना है मॉडलों के साथ में, मॉडल चलती है कैसे चलना है हमको रैंप पे, सीधा पैर आगे बढ़ा करके स्टाइल से चलना है, कमर लचका के जैसे चलती है मॉडलें.
Usha and Lalita is two of the over 340,000 such toilet cleaners in Indian villages. But in New York, when they share their experiences that transform their lives, these women hope to make a difference for others like them, back in Alwar and in villages across India. In New Delhi, Amir Abdullah for NDTV.